Hello, this is the final presentation of Equity Research Initiative Program. I would share the analysis of Expedia Inc. It operates online travel portals such as Expedia.com, Hotels.com and Hotwire.com that help connect travelers with travel suppliers such as hotels, airlines, cruises and car rental companies. Expedia also operates a corporate travel business, Agencia, which offers custom travel products and services to corporate travelers and businesses seeking to optimize travel costs and to improve their employees' travel experiences. The industry is highly driven by external forces, as mentioned. Online travel service providers, which earn revenue in the proportion of travel bookings, depend entirely on the macroeconomic conditions, employment levels, inflation rates, etc. Advertisings, which constitute a significant source of revenue for online travel service providers, depend on the level of business activity. Amidst recession, there is a direct effect on the source of revenue. Fluctuations in exchange rate, hike in fuel prices, and effect on airline and hotel industry is directly passed on to the consumers of OTA. With the result, the revenue margins earned by travel service providers take a hit. Additionally, the industry is becoming highly competitive and each company is required to maintain its niche to sustain in the market. The focus of Expedia on its growth strategy implies that the company is highly motivated to perform. Each of the leading brands of Expedia is a pioneer in online travel and is responsible for continuous innovations to attract more eyeballs. Its global presence is increasing at an exponential pace. With the advent of new mediums like Android apps, Expedia is trying to cover every channel possible. The valuation of Expedia estimated the price of the stock to be $68.29, out of which the hotel bookings constitute the maximum percentage of 71.3. This was so because the margins obtained from hotel bookings were rarely used as shown by the historical data. The total revenue of Expedia Inc. has been showing a steady growth since 2008, which implies its consistent presence in market. Although the operating income is fluctuating, there is a sharp increase in the last 1 year. A gradual increase in DPS following the growth in earnings per share depicts the positive trend lines the company is moving along. The financial ratios of Expedia portrays a bright picture. Although the profit margin has gone down substantially in 2012, they will only cut down to maintain its competitiveness in the online travel agency market. Operating margins, however, indicate that the company is being efficiently operated. The industry of online travel agency is growing at a very sharp pace. Priceline has outperformed all its competitors. However, Expedia is picking up quick. A comparable growth rate of Expedia to that of Priceline indicates the positive slope that Expedia is about to follow. The increase in the stock price of Expedia over the last 1 year had been 101.22%. The current market price is $64.3. From around $30 in January 2012, Expedia's stock price has steadily increased to the current level of $60. Despite persistent weakness in the global economy, the company has registered a sequential increase in revenues so far this year, though the growth rate has slowed down. Expedia has tried to maintain a proper balance with equity and debt, with 64.6% as equity and 35.4% as debt. With the higher percentage of equity, the company is able to build a stronger trust relationship with its shareholders and is able to keep their confidence even in times of low profitability. Positive speculations have been floating around the company for quite a while. Expedia was said to be amongst the top 5 lodging stocks with the highest earnings per share estimates. It's estimated that the company may earn $4.13 per share in the next year ending December 2014. Expedia's trailing 12-month EPS is $2. These speculations have been based on the positive energy that the company is radiating. It announced special dividends for its outstanding common stockholders, keeping them content. Its regular investment in various other companies and other goodwill actions allows the market to rely on it. Be it its recent acquisition of Trivago, affiliation with VIA Rail Canada partnership, or its advertising deal with Professional Game Match, it has successfully maintained its shareholders' confidence. With good execution, innovation technology, and expanding international presence, I believe in Expedia's long-term growth potential. Looks like it's a good time to get Expedia in a basket. Thank you.